Okay, good morning class.
Yes, sir.
This morning we are going to study about concept of inclusion, its need and its implementation. Concept of inclusion, its needs and its implementation. What is the meaning of inclusion or inclusive? Both are same word. And why there is a need of implementation. ठीक है? Do you understand the word implementation? Implement. How we can force or how we can apply. ठीक है? Those kind of studies which are beneficial for disabled suffering from various multiple disabilities. Okay? Concept of inclusion. See the meaning of concept of. Pay attention in your book. The term inclusion is used in the field of education. That is why it is called an inclusive education. It is a work to educate both normal and student with disabilities or with special education need together. Underline this. What is the meaning of inclusion? Is that when a normal child is sitting in same class, a child with disability. Okay, that is called an inclusion education. Okay, we had a unit Kiran class. एक किरण क्लास है हमारे स्कूल में, and you had seen multiple disabilities और multiple intellectual disabilities students are there. कुछ बच्चों ने in recent years, in previous years, you had seen they had helped those students in sports and games, है ना? Sports and games में help भी करी है. So why you are helping? Why your school is giving chance? Later on we will come to why that is important. First we have to understand the meaning of inclusion. Inclusive education means normal students and special needs students learn while sharing their physical space and interacting socially and academically. Socially and academically. While sitting in a class, suppose you all are sitting in a class, you are studying what? Your various chapters, various classes of math, science, Hindi, physical education. Along with that, you are having a social interaction also. Yes or no? Social interaction is going on. And what can be a social interaction? That you want to sit with your best friend. है ना? बेस्ट फ्रेंड के पास बैठना चाहते हो. Why? Because you need to talk, you need to share. Although this is a COVID time, but previous years we used to share or you used to share your lunch box. And these are social interactions, and with social interaction, social habits are modified. How to sit, how to speak, how to give a proper answer. Many things are added in social interaction. It can be stated that in this education, differently able children are educated with normal children in the same group. Okay. Anurag C. Wilson is sitting in class 11C, and we had arranged a seat along with Anurag C. Wilson of differently able student. At that same time, he will read 11C course, and Anurag C. Wilson is also reading the same. If that child is participating in sports, Anurag is also participating. ठीक है, that is an inclusion. Okay, inclusive way of education. Bring all students together, one classroom and one community. Okay. in under one classroom and one community. Inclusive education, student with special needs spend most of their time with non-special needs students. That's why interaction is there. है ना? When they will sit with you, they will ask for a pencil, है ना? And you will try to understand what he is saying. That is the social interaction. He is watching you, what you are doing, how you are writing, how you are walking. Okay, these are all social interactions. Okay, inclusion completely rejects the use of specific school or classroom to separate students with disability from students those without disability. Okay, okay. So we are going to know about the inclusion. What is the meaning of inclusion? Underline that whole paragraph. It is very, very important. Okay, ठीक है? Understand? Understand? Okay. Now our next heading is need of inclusive education. Why there is a need and why there is an importance of inclusive education for self-esteem. Okay, for self-esteem. Each and every individual has self-esteem. Okay, ठीक है? Self-respect. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. How? खड़े हो जाओ. You are in class. How? How you have your self-respect? Okay, self-esteem and self-respect is almost the same. Okay? Yes. How you can say? You cannot define. You are wearing a very nice t-shirt today. If I say that it is not looking good, what will be your reaction? Is it positive or negative? Why it will be negative? Because from your side, you had choose one of the best t-shirt that today I am going to school, and I will choose one of the best and yellow color t-shirt, and there will be something written digital fingerprint. Okay, secret option MCH987. Okay, so you feel bad if I said that you are not wearing a proper and a good t-shirt. That is your self-esteem. Okay, right, very good. Explain करना आना चाहिए. You are in class level. ठीक है, पढ़े हो गए हो. It may be seen that differently able individuals are less strong, okay, because they are unable to express themselves. That's why some are physically strong, but mentally they are not strong. Some are mentally strong, but physically, but many are they are unable to express themselves. Okay. They display qualities of self-efficiency. They develop confidence in their ability to interact with one another and the society in which they live. Okay? Not only for them, it is for you also. If you will interact properly, what happened? He is unable to interact, na? How? Because he is unable to give answer. That is the interaction. Interaction. If I had asked about the concept of inclusion, suppose I ask any student from class that what is the meaning of this, and a child stand up and says, "Sir, this is the meaning of this." That means the concept is clear. He is able to interact, and interaction always lead to a self-confidence. Understand class? You had seen when teachers ask question, some students देखते हैं है ना? Why they are doing like this? Because they do not know answer, and the morale is down. That is the self-esteem. Okay? At that time, if you will know answer, what you will do? You will stand up. Whether you will say in English, whether say in Hindi. ठीक है? Whether you may say wrong. If you will say wrong, it can be corrected. Okay? ठीक किया जा सकता है, correct किया जा सकता है. If you will stand like this, what will happen? It is showing that your morale is already down and you do not know anything, and simply wasting the class time. Understand? We are also following psychology. Understand class? For better social skill and communication. Understand? For better social skills and communication. Okay. Students, we are studying here about need of inclusive education in India, in our country, and we have discussed about self-esteem, better social skills and communication. ठीक है? There are many ways to communicate. Okay, one of the ways in a writing way. Okay, do you know students? You can communicate by writing also. Okay, suppose a drawing teacher or a physical education teacher is teaching you about a court. Here about a court, volleyball court. ठीक है? And I had told you about. So, what I am communicating with you about volleyball in a writing way. ठीक है? Speaking way, by actions. Okay? है ना? Action से कैसे communicate करते हैं?
बता देंगे ये सब.
वो देखो आम पक गया है. Okay, bro. Okay. Looking birds. Evening में birds देखते हो? है ना? ठीक है? Okay. While doing any action, social action होते हैं. These are all many ways of communication. Okay. Greater sensitivity. Okay. Understand? Understand? Okay. It is usually observed that students without disability have more sensitive while learning along with students with special need. Okay? Why? Because sometimes we want to take care of them. Okay? You are helping them. है ना? Okay? That is also a way of communication that you are helping. Okay? And sensitive, how you can be a sensitive person in your life? By helping others. That is the right way. है ना? Help करके तो sensitive हो सकते हैं. By guiding that disabled child in a proper way, that you may sit here. है ना? By giving him a proper pencil. These are the small helping hands. Okay? Understand class? Okay. understanding of strength and weakness. For better understanding of strength and weakness. Okay. Suppose I had given a physical activity along with you. Okay. You all are doing round hand exercise. ठीक है? But that child is unable to do because he is disabled. है ना? So at that time that we are knowing about the weakness. है ना? But we also know that he is willing to do. है ना? That is the strength. Strength क्या है? He is willing to do. है ना? Weakness, he is unable to do because that is a disabled person. Okay. Strength, instead of doing round hand exercise, he can walk for long distance. He is ताकत है, strength है. Okay. है ना? Weakness is that he is unable to move his hand. ठीक है? These are the strength. For better understanding of strength and weakness. Okay. Suppose, just like you students, what happened when we make football team, volleyball team, badminton? What happens when a child is playing? We used to find what is the weak point and what is the strength point. If he plays in forward position, that is the true strength. And suppose I forcefully tell that student, you play at back, he will never play. That is the weakness.